Well, we've been telling you about water rescues all over the state.
We watched one play out in Lexington earlier today. McIntyre Law Chopper 4 was over that scene around 12:30.
News 4's Amaya Ward talked to one of the families involved.
Hold on to every second like it's your last. Hold on to everything you got.
A powerful sentiment coming from Jacob Anderson Wednesday morning. His house surrounded by inches of water after nearly record-breaking rainfall hit the state.
This much water. And the whole back of my car was all the way up to the door in water.
After debating if he should call for help, Anderson says the water around his house had doubled.
And I asked him, I'm like, is it bad? He goes, I'm going to be honest, 30 to 45 minutes, your house is going to be underwater.
Anderson and his wife frantically started packing bags for their 3 children and 2 dogs.
I've never in my life thought I'd be waiting out of my house to get to a street in water this high.
Lexington Fire Chief Trenton Mitchell says they saved a total of 9 people, at least 5 houses, and multiple pets.
I believe it was 2015 the last time we had a really bad flood.
Mitchell says thankfully no one was injured, but he recommends people living in town to turn off their electricity.
So the river, the Canadian River also runs through Lexington. It's not expected to crest until late tonight or tomorrow, so it's going to continue to rise from rain.
Jacob says he believes his family's 2 cars are a total loss, but is mostly thankful he and his family are okay.
We don't know if it got in the house or not. It's going to be a little hard for a little bit, but you know, it's life.
In Lexington, Amaya Ward, Oklahoma's News 4.
There is a temporary shelter at the Senior Center in Lexington for people who need a place to go.